Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Rolls Royce Phantom. First, open the iconic coach doors and step inside the opulent interior. Once seated, insert the key fob into its designated slot on the dashboard. Then, simply press the Start/Stop button to awaken the powerful V12 engine. You'll notice the quiet hum as the vehicle comes to life, ready for your command. Now let's get moving. To engage drive, gently pull the column-mounted gear selector down to D. Next, locate and press the electronic parking brake button to release it. Remember, the Phantom is designed for smooth, unhurried acceleration. Apply gentle pressure to the accelerator pedal, and you'll experience its seamless power delivery. Avoid sudden movements for the best experience. The Phantom offers many features to enhance your drive. You can adjust the air suspension settings to tailor the ride comfort to your preference, ensuring a smooth journey over varying road conditions. Explore the intuitive infotainment system using the elegant Spirit of Ecstasy rotary controller. Also, take advantage of the advanced driver assistance systems, which provide an extra layer of safety and convenience. To truly enjoy your Phantom, adopt a smooth, deliberate driving style. This vehicle rewards a gentle touch, providing unparalleled comfort for you and your passengers. When parking, utilize the comprehensive surround view camera system for precise and effortless maneuvers, protecting your investment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Regular maintenance ensures your Phantom remains in peak condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.